There we go. Horse and buggy right down the road. Common source of travel here. For some people it's the only travel. That looks like a big white Arabian. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's an Arabian. Looks like on down the road there's another wagon. Alright, thanks for watching.